We all know that Jerry is going to be mayor soon. See, it's 96.8% chance that Jerry will win. Here you can vote Jerry also to see that everyone is just got nothing votes. Jerry is almost on the top, or say he got every single vote. That's because he is very good. See, his first perk increase most stats by 10%. It's not most, it's all stats by 10%. Hidden Jerrys will appear from killing mobs, mining, farming, anything. Means if you are mining, you could spawn legendary Jerry, epic, rare, common, there is no common, uncommon Jerrys, and third perk, most important perk to me, I guess, is that activates all parts of another mares in 18 skyblock days, or say 6 hours in real life. There will not be a single perk mare, it will be all 3 perk mare. Every single mare in the game. Means you can do slayers, mining, and everything else. As well as Diana will be mare, mythological creatures, and 10% stat boost also apply to magic find and pet luck, which will also be increased. Means it's the best time to grind dragons, skatas, and anything that's very rare. So please grind them and get good drops and become richer than every. Most important part of this is that skatas will drop, and I am going to buy one, and summoning eyes will go up in price, so you should go and buy them right now, so you could make profit. That won't be that much profit, and if you are rich, just go grind dragons. That will also be very useful. Slayers will also be quite very easy because you have 10% more health, defense, and everything. Dungeons will also be easy because pole mare will also buff that everything, your stats, and also your dungeon reward will be cheaper. And most important thing for me, that coal will also be mare, and there will be fiesta, and I can also grind mining there. Glossy mineral could also drop in price, so be aware. You could grind and get your mineral armor and glossy mineral armor by this. There will be 4 to 6 fiesta, I guess. I don't know how many there will be, but I think there must be 4 to 6 fiesta. There will also be fishing fiesta festivals. Marina will also be mare, so you could also fish there. Anywhere, I don't know much about fishing. Fishing is also very good for money, I had heard. Forging, whoever who did. And if you want to do everything, get a booster cookie. Get it. Slayers will drop a lot of items that in that time. That Slayers drop will be worth it. Because you have 10% more defense, health, and damage. You will be on peak of your power. And also magical power. Magic find and pet luck will be helping you to drop your Warden Heart, Sketa, and a Judgment Core, and anything else very well. Very easy. Goodbye. That's all for this video. I also want to say something. My friend Lucky Hand had left the game because his 12th exams are becoming soon. Shout out to him. He is a good person. He is not gonna play for 3 months. I am very sad, but go my boy, grind your studies and get. I think I can predict your marks, and I am saying you are confirmed, and I am confirmed that you will get 97% confirmed marks. Goodbye everyone.